everyone, and welcome to my channel where we discuss all things logistics. Today I'm coming to you with a short informational video, just letting you all know what I've been working on and where I've been hiding and what I've been doing. I'm so excited about the things that I have come up with for you guys, and I hope you all are excited too. So the first thing that we're going to be doing from here on out is Freight Talk Fridays. Now, Freight Talk Fridays will be viewers' choice. So if there's a topic you've been waiting on me to talk about, and unfortunately I still haven't covered it, and you want me to talk about something specific, you can go to either my Facebook or my Instagram. You find the post that's labeled Freight Talk Fridays, and in the comments section you can simply write the topic that you would like for me to discuss. Every Friday I'll refer to those posts and I'll pull a topic off of there, and the video will be based on something that you all specifically want to talk about. That way I know I'm actually helping you all, as opposed to just throwing random topics out there. I know sometimes it's something specific, and this will help you all. So the next thing that I have to offer, I was getting a lot of phone calls, texts, emails, everything, you name it, about doing phone consultations and also about doing some type of mentorship. So I've now been able to put together a program that I know will help you all connect all the dots that you've been missing. So there's two different packages for the 4-week mentorship programs. I'll offer them in monthly sessions. So the first session is starting August 2nd and it's going until August 30th. We're registering for the sessions right now. Registration will be open from now until July 25th for the August session. So let's break down these packages. So there are two different 4-week packages. The first package is our blast off package. And with our blast off package, we'll cover everything that you need to do to launch your business. So that means registering for your tax ID number, business name, websites, everything that you'll need to do, registering for government contracts, all of that will be done within our blast off package. So every week during the 4 weeks, we'll cover a different set of tasks. By the end of the 4 weeks, you'll be completely ready to launch your business. The next package is for people who have done all these steps already and you're just stuck in kind of the marketing phase. So the next package is called our standout marketing package. And over that 4 weeks, we'll cover different strategies for you to master that'll put you in the position to acquire owner-operators and acquire shippers. So that'll also come with a shipper list. You'll work the load board. We'll do role playing. We'll do phone calls. Like once that 4 weeks is up, you are going to be ready to get your owner-operators and to get your shippers, and you'll be running that business. So I'm very excited for those two packages. I'll also be offering a 1-hour discovery phone call. Now, this is for people who don't need a full 4 weeks of a session. You just need your T's crossed and your I's dotted, and you want to have a quick conversation with me. To do that, we can do that via Zoom or we can do that via a phone call. I actually prefer to see the people that I'm talking to, but if that's not you, like I said, it could be a 1-hour phone call. So that's an option for you all as well. That should help you. I'm also going to be raffling off 2 of these things. So I'll be raffling off one of the 1-hour discovery calls, and I'll also be raffling off a spot in one of those sessions. So if you win the raffle, you'll be able to pick which session you sit in. And I'll be announcing the winner of the raffle July 15th, which is the first Freight Talk Friday. So at that time, I'll announce the winner of the raffle. Also, from now up until July 15th, there's also a 10% discount on either of the 4-week sessions if you book them on my website, and you'll get that for being a loyal YouTube subscriber. So those are the 2 things going on. You can enter the raffle, which the details on how to enter the raffles is in the description. And the raffle winner will be released on July 15th during Freight Talk Friday when you all pick the topic. And also you'll have an option for that 10% discount on those packages up until July 15th. So that should cover everything that I've been working on. I am very excited. I hope you all are ready for what's to come. So if you're ready to launch your business, ready to complete the last of these steps, ready to master marketing, book these sessions. August 2nd through August 30th. It's going to be a game changer. And I look forward to doing business with you all. And I look forward to talking to you all and seeing some of your faces. And I will see you next time. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to educate yourself on all things logistics, please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, with all things logistics, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I'll see you next time.